Mumbai, city of dreams, Bollywood, colors, lights, crowds, and hardworking of people from different regions of the country. Mumbai is also called as a financial capital of India, and it is also said that spirit of Mumbai never dies. People work here without any break 24 into 7 to fulfill their daily dreams. But because of rising price in the commodity and weakening of Indian currency rupee versus US dollar in the international market has stopped 24 into 7 alive spirit of Mumbai, and now Mumbaikars are being forced to think once more before seeing any dream further in the present financial scenario. Inflation and weakening of Indian currency rupee in the international market are two major drawbacks seen recently which affected the life of common man or Aam Aadmi very harshly. Exchanges like BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange, is been declared recently as the third largest exchange in the world, where daily fluctuation in the valuation of our currency Indian rupee versus US dollar can be seen. RBI, Reserve Bank of India, is serving India since 1935 and also served as the Reserve Bank of Burma till 1945 and Reserve Bank of Pakistan till 1949. Even after independence, all the fiscal and monetary policy of country are being made here. Let us see what strategies they have made so that the people can breathe easily in the financial air of inflation.
We try to play with the interest rates. When the inflation goes up, we increase interest rates so that the demand for money contracts. The second thing we do is we tighten the liquidity in the system, the flow of money into the system. And that measure also we have taken by controlling the liquidity available to the system.
Inflation have made people think once again before using their daily resources. Monthly budgets of Aam Aadmi is already being disturbed and common man is struggling to meet his daily basic needs.
यानी महंगाई इतनी बढ़ती जा रही है कि आज आम आदमी का सफ़र करना जीवन में मुश्किल होता जा रहा है। सैलरी तो बढ़ती नहीं है, लेकिन महंगाई जितनी दुगनी एक बढ़ती जा रही है, आज मुझे नहीं लगता है कि आज आम आदमी प्याज भी खा सकता है।
Poor section and middle class people of the society keeps on struggling. Poor becomes more poor and rich becomes more rich. Strategies are being made on paper but few are executed. Now the question arises, how much common man in the society is benefited? Will the day will come ever when he will live his dreams again? Inflation, high rise in the price of the commodity and weakening of Indian currency into the international market has already started showing his colors. Money has already started pinching the pockets of Aam Aadmi, and inflation is growing day by day more and more. Needs of the society has now become necessities. Now we have to see the strategies led by RBI and government are sufficient or not, and how long they will take to come out from the inflation. I, Avinash Rajendra R. Parmar, with cameraman Swapnil, MRSC News, Mumbai.